Pepe holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I appreciate you guys as always. Pepe Army is massive and you guys show so much love on the channel. Over the last few days, if you've been following the channel, we have been kind of stagnant on the updates because pretty much I decided to kind of take a little bit of a breather, but we're back on schedule. You want to see what's really happening with Pepe right now, so want to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And again, if you want to see regular Pepe updates, I want you guys to absolutely go crazy on the like button and of course hit that red subscribe button. But yeah, looking across the board, Pepe up 9.2%. If you did watch my H-bar update, in that specific update I indicated you're noticing meme coins once again gaining traction. Usually we were seeing pretty much a lot of these utility projects outpacing memes, but we're seeing memes making some moves that we actually haven't seen for quite some time. Pepe up 10%, Bonk up 7.3%, Shiba Inu up 14%, Fartcoin up 16%, Dogecoin up 10%. You guys get the idea. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening with Pepe and of course what is yet to come. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the price is 87.23, obviously still 5 zeros in front of the price. Also up 10%, and Ethereum and Bitcoin comparative market cap of almost $3.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 619.9 million. But before we do that, or get anything further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So holder count increasing day in, day out, regardless if the price is down or not. You are seeing the holder count increasing, which of course is nice to see. But what's really nice to see right now is the entire meme coin valuation. Again, like I said, we have not seen, and I repeat, we have not seen a move like this for such a long time. You're looking at the entire valuation almost approaching 62 billion. Pretty much, if you're going across the board right now, you are noticing nothing but crazy price action for meme coins. A complete thing of beauty. And like I said, something that we wanted to see for some time, and we are actually seeing it happening right now. Is this really the return of memes, or is this just going to be completely short-lived? We'll see what happens. Obviously, Bitcoin still not as the levels where we really want to see Bitcoin at, but the fact that we are seeing a lot of excitement right now is something that we should not be ignoring. But looking at the dominance itself, dominance has been pulling down over the last few days, which of course is nice to see, but in the grand scheme of things, still really high. Obviously we needed that to keep pulling down. BTC is trying to break out. You can see this for yourself. Bitcoin is in a clear upward trajectory. Been indicating this to you guys over the last few updates. Obviously since March 10th, we have seen this upward trend forming, and as of now you are still seeing the price holding around this level, and it wants to break out. It's not that Bitcoin does not want to break out. Bitcoin is trying to break out, but of course we do have significant amount of resistance coming in its way. If this is able to turn into support, I do personally believe we could be going back into the 23.6 fib zone. But with that said, let's analyze and take a look at what's happening with Pepe's price. So from the 52.91, a level that we have pretty much nailed. And again, you guys can pretty much go see a lot of my previous updates. I was talking about, the potential of us retesting this zone. Pretty much since then, we have seen Pepe up almost 70%. I really want you guys to understand, that Pepe has seen a significant, bounce since this low. But is this a time to be getting excited? Of course, the price is showing significant strength. Obviously a 70% gain is not a small one, and we shouldn't really be ignoring it. But, we still need to be looking for confirmations, which again is around the 1067 zone right now, because of course it knocks out another zero out of the price, which of course is bullish. And of course, if it's able to get above this 1067 zone, then I think we could actually start seeing, some sort of excitement coming in, which of course I think, will obviously be impacted by the likes of, BTC and of course dominance. If it were to continue to fall down, I really do believe, something like this could really be in play for Pepe. But a 70% increase, I'm sure no one's really complaining, anyone that picked it up around this range. And if you want to, kind of take a look at it from, the all-time high, it has dropped 80%. 80% pullback. Again, in a bull market, that is normal, believe it or not. And could this really be, a small steady reversal towards the upside, yes, I still do believe that could be a reality, especially if we get back in the 23.6. If not, then of course, we could be having a different conversation. But 70% increase right now, which of course I'm sure no one's really complaining about. The targets are still something around the same level what we've been discussing. If you were able to get out of these key levels, I think we could be in for some excitement. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions on Pepe? Where do you see the price of Pepe going? Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.